Infertility, குழந்தையின்மை, அது இப்ப huge problem. Many newly married people are finding it difficult, maybe even to have sex. All comes down to how the couple understand each other. To have a sexual relationship, it is difficult, but it only takes time. When it's arranged marriage, somebody, your uncle or aunt or somebody will keep telling you what is right, what is wrong, and maybe it will take a month or maybe it will take 6 months to have a proper sexual relationship. But society is not like that anymore. So if you want to know about A to Z about infertility, why can't you become a doctor? Doctors always have all the knowledge and they can share the knowledge to their friends and their families as well. So you can become a doctor. You can enjoy the life and you can plan when to have babies, when not to have babies. That's also very important. So if you become a doctor, you can save yourself from not to be an infertile couple. At the same time, get the right treatment and where to get and how not to be cheated by some hospitals. Yes, you can become a doctor. Pick up the call. Call us on 988-4355-558 or visit our website www.futuredoctor.in. Subscribe our channel and put a thumbs up. Thank you.